Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on triangle laws worksheets. So this video introduces 3 worksheets on 4 triangle laws that we looked at in a previous lesson, and we've been asked to answer some questions. If you didn't see these laws, you're not familiar with them, or you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. Just click on that link. It'll take you directly to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. For this particular slide, I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. And you can pause this slide for as long as you like. I'll just leave it on for a short time. And now we move on to the last slide, and by all means, pause it for as long as you like. Okay, and here is the last slide. So you can choose to click on the link to go to the lesson, or you might choose to subscribe to my channel.